Namaste. I am Dr. Chaitali Samant and I am the in charge of pediatric department in Ramaiah Ayurveda. Many people come to us asking why is my child having graying of hair. Sometimes it can happen even in children as young as 6 years old. Apart from the fact that graying of hair indicates past aging, the most common reason for hair graying in children is deficiency of certain nutrients. For example, deficiency of folic acid, deficiency of B12 vitamins, copper and zinc deficiency are some of the most common reasons for hair graying in children. It means that your child's food intake may be very good, but the food may lack in certain nutrients. For example, vegetarian diet contains very less zinc. So either it needs to be supplemented in the form of vitamin supplements or any vitamin syrups, or you have to increase the intake of certain few foods in vegetarian diet which can provide zinc. For example, pumpkin seeds. Copper usually we get through food which is sufficient, so we don't recommend copper supplements.
So folic acid deficiency can be addressed by increasing the intake of dark green leafy vegetables which are very rich in folic acid, and we find that intake of vegetables, which should be at least 50% of your daily diet intake, is very deficient in kids nowadays, so make sure that you are paying attention to that. Other things are B12 vitamins. Whole grains contain a lot of B12 vitamins. Nuts and seeds contain a B12 group of vitamins. So make sure your child's diet is rich in that. In terms of Ayurveda, we take a slightly different approach in terms of helping children improve their gut health. No matter how nutrient dense your nutrition is, if your gut is not absorbing the nutrition, then you will still suffer from nutrient deficiencies. So in terms of Ayurveda, we help children improve their digestion and absorption of nutrition. Also, we introduce different types of rejuvenative medicines, Chyawanprash being one of them. Do mind that we have several different kinds of Avaleha or Chyawanprash-like medicines which help in preventing early graying of hair and maintaining health in children. So, a correctly balanced diet, nutritionally balanced diet, as well as a right combination of Ayurveda medicines can definitely help your child prevent graying of hair, early graying of hair.